The beauty of Lashify is that you can wear your lash map for as long as you'd like. While you wear it, you might have some lifting or you might need some touch-ups, and today I'm going to show you how to fix that. There's a couple different ways that you can fix lifting. I'm going to show you 4 different ways. So right now I have a little bit of lifting in between these 2 Gossamers. So I'm first going to come in and I'm just going to try to fuse them back down. Sometimes all you need is a little fuse and then your Gossamers are good to go. Another way to fix lifting is by taking your clear whisper light. I love the precision tip when I'm touching up or fixing my Gossamers because I can get right into these small crevices. So you see I have a little bit of lifting right here. What I'm gonna do is take my clear whisper light and I'm gonna take that precision tip. I'm just gonna dab a little bit onto the spines. These Gossamers were overlapped, so I am gonna put a little on the Gossamer that's on my eye as well as a little bit on the spine of the lifting Gossamer. Then, just like you're applying, you need your bond to get tacky. I'm gonna use my blow tool and I'm gonna push some air onto there for like 10 to 15 seconds. I want my clear whisper light to go from white to clear. Once I see that it's clear, I'm gonna take my fuse control wand and I'm gonna do just a little reverse fuse, and voila, we fixed it. Sometimes when I wake up, I have maybe an outer corner that's lifting. So sometimes I'll just completely remove it and I'm gonna show you how. So as you can see, my outer corner is a little bit lifted. So instead of adding that bond, I wanna make sure that these are secure. I'm gonna use my fuse control wand to gently remove the lash and reapply it all together. So I like to take the tip of my wand without the wandums and gently come underneath the spine and grab hold and slide it forward, and there's not a single natural lash on here because remember, our bond is flexible so it's not gonna cause any damage to your natural lashes. I've applied a little bit of clear whisper light to the spine of the Gossamer. It's gone from white to clear so I know it's tacky, and now I'm gonna come in and just apply as normal. So I'm gonna overlap this one a little bit. I like to give a little bit of a lift to my outer corner. I'm gonna take my blow just to make sure, double, triple check that it's tacky. And then I'm gonna come in and fuse with a small reverse fuse. And there we go. Another great way to touch up your lash map is using our Lash Curl. It's our heated lash curler, and we are going to do a technique called heat fusing. To heat fuse, you wanna make sure that you have your Lash Curl turned up to the 3rd heat setting. And remember, it has this really cool silicone tip, so you don't have to worry about burning yourself, but she does get hot, so be careful. So I'm gonna come in with the Lash Curl. I'm gonna hold it at the spine of my lashes for about 10 seconds, and what we're doing right now is we're activating the bond. So we're heating it up, it's getting all gooey again, and then after about 10 seconds, I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna come in with my fuse control wand without the wandums. That is key because we need the coolness of the wand to help recreate the seal. So I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna do a full fuse and hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds. And this is recreating that seal. Your lash map's gonna look and feel brand new. And there you go. Remember, just because you have a little bit of lifting or you feel like you've lost one Gossamer doesn't mean you need to start all over again. Use one of these 4 touch-up techniques and your lash map is going to be good to go for as long as you'd like it to be.